Hi, I'm Amira. I'm
Five
5
years
years
old.
old.
Okay.
Ben, let rest on the grass. Ben and the Ben sit on the grass. They sit on the grass and the rest in the sun. A bigger frog in the grass. Blopper, blopper, blopper. See the bigger frog hopper. And the frog is on my dress. Get off my dress. Frog, get off my dress. Bigger frog.
Pandai Amira. You are clever girl. Good job, Amira.